Some progress on the PDS autopilot, which you hear humming in the background. So here we have the frame, and I'm now only focusing on the roll motion. I've blocked the pitch motion at the moment. The rudder servo now has a potentiometer attached, which feeds back the signal that comes from the autopilot and gives a steering signal back to the frame. So we're now operating in closed loop. Here I have my control panel as usual, and I'll demonstrate what happens if I start it in closed loop. So I'll first switch on the drive system for the frame. Now I switch on the power system for the autopilot, and as I flick the switch, it starts working on the roll axis. You will see that the rudder servo is starting to move, and that there is that the frame went to the horizontal position. There's always some movement in the rudder servo. I had lots of trouble getting the system to work in a stable way, and the trick I found was to limit the travel of the rudder servo to reduce the input signal a little bit. So now it's kind of, well, waggling a little bit, but it's more or less stable. If I give it a little bit of a disruption, the system will stabilize it as quickly as possible and bring it back to the horizontal position. If I want to fly a curve, this is my curve switch. If I want to fly a left curve, for example, it will shift the set point slightly, and you will see that the frame is starting to roll, and hopefully you will reach a stable position to roll into the curve. It's actually quite difficult to get it stable at all positions due to the characteristics of the frame, but I'm quite pleased that I got it to work so far. So if I release my roll shift, it will slowly return to the horizontal position. What you see here underneath are some resistors that I'm using to tune the system. They're connected with these thin wires into this unit. So once I'm fully happy with the tuning, I will replace those potentiometers with fixed resistors in this unit, and I will start working on the pitch axis, which is going to be an interesting challenge too, I expect. But yes, we're now stable on roll.